This video is not affiliated with, endorsed by, or sponsored by the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, ASE. It is created solely for educational purposes to help viewers expand their automotive knowledge and prepare for ASE-style topics. For official information, study materials, and certification details, please refer directly to ASE.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something really helpful lined up for you. 50 practice multiple-choice questions to test your knowledge and help you study smarter. Whether you're brushing up for an exam, preparing for a certification, or just wanting to strengthen your automotive skills, this video is designed to guide you step by step. Grab a notebook, follow along, and see how many you can get right. Let's dive in and start learning together. 1. Excessive tire wear on the inside edges of both front tires is most likely caused by A. Too much toe in, B. Too much toe out, C. Positive camber, D. Excessive caster. Answer B. Too much toe out. Explanation: excessive toe out causes both front tires to scrub on their inner edges. 2. A vehicle makes a knocking noise when driving over bumps. Which is most likely? A. Worn shock absorber bushings, B. Faulty alternator mount, C. Bad fuel pump, D. Loose steering wheel nut. Answer A. Worn shock absorber bushings. Explanation: loose or worn bushings cause metal-to-metal noise during suspension travel. 3. A broken coil spring can cause A. Reduced ride height on one side, B. Excessive caster, C. Uneven brake pressure, D. Wheel imbalance. Answer A. Reduced ride height on one side. Explanation: the spring supports vehicle weight. If broken, that side sags. 4. A suspension clunk is heard during braking and acceleration. Which is most likely? A. Worn control arm bushings, B. Low brake fluid, C. Worn tie rod ends, D. Defective stabilizer bar. Answer A. Worn control arm bushings. Explanation: bushings allow arms to shift under torque load, causing clunks. 5. Which part limits the downward movement of the suspension? A. Bump stop, B. Jounce bumper, C. Rebound stop, D. Coil spring. Answer C. Rebound stop. Explanation: the rebound stop prevents the suspension from overextending. 6. When performing a bounce test, the vehicle continues to oscillate more than twice. This indicates A. Weak shocks or struts, B. Stiff suspension, C. Worn ball joints, D. Uneven tire pressure. Answer A. Weak shocks or struts. Explanation: excessive bouncing shows inadequate damping control. 7. The upper strut mount in a McPherson strut assembly acts as A. Spring seed and pivot bearing, B. Toe adjustment point, C. Oil seal, D. Brake hose mount. Answer A. Spring seed and pivot bearing. Explanation: it supports the spring and allows the strut to rotate when steering. 8. Which component controls spring oscillations? A. Shock absorber, B. Sway bar, C. Control arm, D. Coil spring. Answer A. Shock absorber. Explanation: Shocks convert kinetic energy from the spring into heat, reducing oscillation. 9. Excessive negative camber on one wheel usually indicates A. Bent strut or control arm, B. Underinflated tire, C. Overinflated tire, D. Loose wheel lug nuts. Answer: A. Bent strut or control arm. Explanation: structural bending changes suspension geometry. 10. A stabilizer sway bar connects to A. Engine crossmember and control arms, B. Frame and control arms, C. Rear axle and differential, D. Spindle and steering knuckle. Answer: B. Frame and control arms. Explanation: the sway bar transfers motion between control arms to resist roll.
11. Excessive free play in the steering wheel is most often caused by A. Loose tie rod ends, B. Bent control arms, C. Worn ball joints, D. Faulty strut bearings. The answer is A. Loose tie rod ends. Explanation: worn tie rods allow steering input before wheels respond. 12. Hard steering at all speeds can be caused by A. Defective pump or low fluid, B. Bent steering arm, C. Incorrect toe angle, D. Misadjusted brake pedal. The answer is A. Defective pump or low fluid. Explanation: hydraulic pressure loss increases steering effort. 13. A growling noise is heard when turning left. The noise changes with speed. The most likely cause is A. Left front wheel bearing, B. Right front wheel bearing, C. Tie rod end, D. CV joint. The answer is B. Right front wheel bearing. Explanation: noise from a bad bearing increases under load. It's louder on the opposite side of the turn. 14. A vehicle's steering feels loose and wanders on the highway. Which is most likely? A. Worn steering gear or linkage, B. Excess caster, C. Overinflated tires, D. Stiff shocks. The answer is A. Worn steering gear or linkage. Explanation: excess play or wear reduces steering stability. 15. The purpose of the pitman arm is to A. Convert rotary motion to linear motion, B. Convert linear motion to rotary motion, C. Control caster, D. Adjust toe. The answer is A. Convert rotary motion to linear motion. Explanation: the pitman arm moves the center link side to side.
16. A power steering system makes noise and the fluid appears milky. What's wrong? A. Air in the system, B. Low fluid level, C. Worn pump bearing, D. Incorrect toe setting. Answer: A. Air in the system. Explanation: air causes cavitation and foaming of fluid. 17. Steering effort increases at low speed but is normal on the highway. The most likely cause is A. Low fluid level, B. Worn pump belt, C. Faulty control valve in steering gear, D. Restricted pressure line. Answer: C. Faulty control valve in steering gear. Explanation: the valve may not open fully at low pressure demand. 18. A clicking sound occurs when turning the steering wheel at rest. What could cause this? A. Worn strut bearing plate, B. Faulty power steering pump, C. Worn steering shaft U-joint, D. A or C. Answer: D. A or C. Explanation: clicking can result from worn strut bearings or steering shaft joints. 19. Excessive play at the steering wheel but no tire movement indicates A. Loose steering coupler, B. Seized ball joints, C. Low tire pressure, D. Incorrect camber. Answer: A. Loose steering coupler. Explanation: coupler wear prevents full motion transfer to steering gear. 20. Excessive steering wheel vibration at highway speed is most likely caused by A. Wheel imbalance, B. Excess caster, C. Bent tie rod, D. Uneven ride height. Answer: A. Wheel imbalance. Explanation: imbalance causes vibration felt through the steering wheel.
21. The angle that causes a vehicle to pull toward one side is usually A. Caster, B. Camber, C. Toe, D. Thrust angle. Answer: B. Camber. Explanation: unequal camber pulls the car toward the more positive side. 22. A dog-tracking vehicle indicates a problem with A. Thrust angle, B. Toe out, C. Caster, D. Camber. Answer: A. Thrust angle. Explanation: the rear axle is not square with the chassis. 23. Which alignment angle primarily affects directional stability? A. Toe, B. Caster, C. Camber, D. Thrust. Answer: B. Caster. Explanation: positive caster improves straight-line tracking. 24. Feathered tire wear is caused by A. Incorrect toe angle, B. Incorrect caster, C. Incorrect camber, D. Bent wheel. Answer: A. Incorrect toe angle. Explanation: toe misalignment scrubs tread in one direction. 25. A steering wheel off-center after alignment indicates A. Improper toe setting, B. Excess caster, C. Low tire pressure, D. Unequal camber. Answer: A. Improper toe setting. Explanation: steering wheel position changes with toe alignment.
26. Which alignment angle is not adjustable on most cars? A. Toe, B. Caster, C. Steering axis inclination, SAI, D. Camber. Answer: C. Steering axis inclination, SAI. Explanation: SAI is a diagnostic measurement only. 27. Unequal caster readings cause A. Pull toward the side with less positive caster, B. Pull toward the side with more positive caster, C. Tire wear on inside edges, D. Shimmy during braking. Answer: A. Pull toward the side with less positive caster. Explanation: lower caster gives less directional stability. 28. Excessive toe in causes tire wear on A. Inside edges, B. Outer edges, C. Both edges evenly, D. Center tread. Answer: C. Both edges evenly. Explanation: toe in scrubs both sides of tread surface. 29. The inner wheel turns sharper than the outer wheel during cornering due to A. Toe out on turns, B. Caster angle, C. Thrust angle, D. Camber difference. Answer: A. Toe out on turns. Explanation: Ackermann geometry provides correct inner turn radius. 30. A bent strut will typically affect A. Camber and caster, B. Toe only, C. SAI only, D. None of the above. Answer: A. Camber and caster. Explanation. Strut angle changes both alignment axes. 31. Cupping wear patterns are most often caused by A. Worn shocks or struts, B. Bent rim, C. Excess camber, or D. Improper inflation. The answer is A. Worn shocks or struts. Explanation. Tire bounces from weak damping, creating scallops. 32. Tire wear on one edge indicates A. Camber misalignment, B. Toe out, C. Underinflation, or D. Overinflation. The answer is A. Camber misalignment. Explanation. Tilted tires load one edge more than the other. 33. A vibration that increases with speed but not engine RPM indicates A. Drivetrain imbalance, B. Wheel imbalance, C. Worn motor mount, or D. Faulty CV joint. The answer is B. Wheel imbalance. Explanation. Vibration related to wheel speed points to imbalance. 34. A bent wheel flange causes A. Lateral runout, B. Radial runout, C. Brake pull, or D. Steering noise. The answer is A. Lateral runout. Explanation. Bent flanges wobble the wheel side to side. 35. The correct torque pattern for wheel lug nuts is A. Circular pattern, B. Random pattern, C. Crisscross pattern, or D. Top to bottom. The answer is C. Crisscross pattern. Explanation. Even tightening prevents rotor distortion. 36. Overinflated tires cause A. Center tread wear, B. Edge wear, C. No effect, D. Random cupping. Answer is A. Center tread wear. Explanation. Excess pressure crowns the tire and wears the center. 37. Tire inflation should be checked A. Cold before driving, B. Immediately after driving, C. While rotating, D. When warm. Answer is A. Cold before driving. Explanation. Temperature affects pressure readings. 38. Uneven rear tire wear may indicate A. Bent rear axle, B. Improper wheel torque, C. Faulty brake booster, D. Incorrect camber only. Answer is A. Bent rear axle. Explanation. Misalignment in rear axle geometry causes uneven tread wear. 39. Radial tire cords run A. Bead to bead at 90 degrees to tread, B. Diagonally across tread, C. Circumferentially around tire, D. Zigzag pattern. Answer is A. Bead to bead at 90 degrees to tread. Explanation. Radial construction improves flexibility and stability. 40. Tire cupping most often shows up on A. Rear tires of FWD vehicles, B. Front tires of RWD vehicles, C. Inside rear edges, D. All tires equally. Answer is A. Rear tires of FWD vehicles. Explanation. Rear suspension on FWD cars tends to bounce more when shocks are worn. 41. Hydro boost brake systems use pressure from A. Power steering pump, B. Vacuum source, C. Electric motor, D. Brake master cylinder. Answer. A. Power steering pump. Explanation. Hydro boost uses PS hydraulic pressure for brake assist. 42. Variable assist steering reduces assist when A. Vehicle speed increases, B. Steering angle decreases. C. Brakes are applied. D. Coolant temperature rises. Answer A. Vehicle speed increases. Explanation: less assist is needed at higher speeds. 43. Electric power steering (EPS) systems eliminate the need for A. Steering column, B. Hydraulic pump and hoses, C. Steering rack, D. Universal joint. Answer B. Hydraulic pump and hoses. Explanation: EPS uses electric assist instead of hydraulic pressure. 44. A vehicle with EPS has heavy steering and a warning light on. Which is most likely? A. Failed torque sensor or control module. B. Air in hydraulic lines. C. Bent steering arm. D. Loose ball joint. Answer A. Failed torque sensor or control module. Explanation: EPS disables assist when sensors fail. 45. Steering wheel vibration during braking is usually caused by A. Warped rotors, B. Excess caster, C. Loose shocks, D. Power steering fluid leak. Answer A. Warped rotors. Explanation: rotor thickness variation transfers vibration to the wheel.
46. A whining noise increases with engine RPM when steering. The cause is most likely A. Air in the power steering system, B. Low transmission fluid, C. Bent tie rod, D. Misaligned tires. Answer A. Air in the power steering system. Explanation: air in fluid causes pump cavitation and whining noise. 47. ESC systems often use input from A. Steering torque and speed sensors, B. Fuel injectors, C. Brake light switch, D. Throttle position sensor only. Answer A. Steering torque and speed sensors. Explanation: these sensors determine how much assist is needed. 48. A vehicle equipped with ESC, electronic stability control, uses which sensor to compare driver input to actual movement? A. Yaw rate sensor, B. Oxygen sensor, C. Tire pressure sensor, D. knock sensor. Answer A. Yaw rate sensor. Explanation: ESC compares yaw with steering angle to maintain control. 49. After replacing a power steering pump, the fluid becomes foamy. What should be done first? A. Bleed the system, B. Replace steering rack, C. Add brake fluid, D. Overfill reservoir. Answer A. Bleed the system. Explanation: air trapped in the system causes foamy fluid and noise. 50. A customer complains of heavy steering only when parking. The most likely cause is A. Low fluid level, B. Uneven caster, C. Faulty wheel bearing, D. Misaligned toe setting. Answer A. Low fluid level. Explanation: power steering assist is needed most during low-speed maneuvers. Low fluid reduces assist.
Thanks so much for studying with us today. I hope these practice questions helped boost your confidence and sharpen your skills. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next study session. You can click the links on screen right now to watch another study video and keep your learning going. I'll see you over there.